Hello, nieces and nephews. It's Cricket, and we're doing a cabin tour of cabin 16133 on World America. When you walk in, you see the safety instructions on the back. You have 3 hooks. Over here is the thermostat. You have to have a card in here to turn the lights on. This right here is to make up the room, and this is do not disturb. This is the light switch for the bathroom. When you go into the bathroom, nice sized bathroom. This is your shower, and the shower has shampoo and shower gel, no conditioner. And watch your step. And then you have a full-length mirror. And this is your closet. You have shelves and drawers on this side. And then on this side, we are hanging clothes, and it looks like we have some slippers and robes. Have a sofa, which is a pull out. As you can see, the little thing right there to pull it out. Then we have your hair dryer, your safe, another drawer. You have a mini fridge. We have a mini fridge, which we're not going to touch any of that. And you have the menu for the mini bar, your ice, a room diffuser, your mirror, your vanity, a seat, and then you have this table also. We're Aurea, so they gave us Prosecco and dark chocolate. And then your breakfast menus, your TV, and it swivels. Over here, got the lights. And then you have another switch here to master control. You have a USB-C port. You have a little nightstand. Your MSC towels. On this side, you have another USB-C. And then you also have another nightstand. And this is the balcony. Balcony is a little small, but you do have 2 chairs and a little, whatever this is right here. I guess it's supposed to be like a little table. And this is what it looks like from this end. And this is Aurea. This is the Aurea Balcony Cabin on MSC World America.